Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to install Flutter on Windows 11 and set up Android Studio for Flutter development. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth setup process. First, we need to install Git for Windows. Download the latest version of Git, run the installer, and follow the prompts. Ensure that the Use Git from the command line and also from third-party software option is selected. Next, let's download the Flutter SDK. Download the latest stable release for Windows and extract it to a desired location on your system. Now, we need to update the system path to include Flutter. This involves editing the system environment variables to add the Flutter bin directory. Next, we need to install Android Studio. Download and install Android Studio, choosing the installation path during the process. Let's configure Android Studio to set up the Android SDK and AVD. Ensure that Android SDK, platform tools, and build tools are installed. Now, let's set up an Android emulator. Create a virtual device in the AVD Manager, choosing a device definition and system image. Installing Visual Studio Code is optional but recommended for Flutter development. Download and install Visual Studio Code, then install the Flutter and Dart extensions. Finally, let's run Flutter Doctor to check for any issues. Run Flutter Doctor in the command prompt and follow prompts to complete setup. By following these steps, you should now have Flutter installed on Windows 11 and be ready to start developing your Flutter apps. If you encounter any issues, refer to the official Flutter documentation or ask for help in the comments section. Happy coding!